How to resize an image on iPhone. Open Shortcuts app. Create a new shortcut by tapping plus button on the top right corner. Let's name it Resize Photos. Now let's add an action here and search for the action resize. Now tap on that. Tap the first parameter image into shortcut input. Now tap on receive any and change any to just images. Then tap done. Now tap to change from now here and turn on show in share sheet. Then tap done. Now on the resize prompt, change the 640 into ask each time. Now search for convert, then tap on convert image. We can change photo extension by tapping on JPEG. Then tap on arrow button and turn off preserve metadata for not sharing image location information. Now search share and tap on it. That's it. Tap done. Let's try it. Go to Photos, pick a photo, tap on Share button, slide down and tap Resize Photos. Then give the size you want to resize. After finish conversion, tap Save Image. You can also share this on AirDrop or mail or send with any other apps. Go back. Done. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.